All right, here we go. With our instructions for 5.2, we're going to come to 5.2 Nitro type. You're going to owe me 75 races by October the 8th. So you have plenty of time to get them done. So we're going to sign in with Google. So when we click on this link and it comes in, sign in with Google right here. You sign in, you want to confirm that it is you. And then when you sign in, you can save. If your name doesn't work, you can give yourself a different name, and you can always change it to something else later on. All right. So to do this, all you have to do is start typing right down here, and it comes in this box, and you just type what's in this box, and that'll be it. Okay. If you want to change your name, that's up here in My Settings. That allows you to change. You can change your name, change your title. Okay. And then when you get some friends in class or friends at other places, you can start putting them in right here, and you'll see Mr. Smith as a friend coming up for you guys. Okay, so if you will take care of that, that would be great. All right, 75 races. Have a great day.